Hi guys, so this is my updated hair routine. This is how my hair is normally. I roll it up in a bun. Now the plait I add in from the night before, so now I'm just pulling it out so I can loosen my hair a bit so I can wash it properly. My hair falls in the 4C category, so it may look short, but it's actually waist length. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to loosen the elastic bands so that my scalp can get a good wash. Now let me remind you that sometimes when you use the elastic bands, there are product build up around the elastic band. I'm going to show you different ways that you can remove the product build up, so stay tuned for that video. So right now I'm showing you the new growth. That is about 1 inch of new growth. I didn't get to wash it for 2 weeks or comb it for 2 weeks, and that's the new growth. So this is the length of my hair after taking a twist down, and mind you, this is not unraveled as yet, and the elastic band is still in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that out, unravel it, so pull it apart just to get it a bit more stretched. Then I'm going to show you the length again. So that's the actual length of my hair. Now it's almost both length. Ensure when you're combing your 4C type hair that you're combing it section by section. It is easier on your arm, less knotting, and it's a good way to distribute the product evenly. So what I'm doing now is to retwist my hair so I can go ahead and wash it to prevent knots. Okay, so this is my wash routine now, but I definitely want to implement some more steps in the future, like pre-poo, that's what they call it, pre-shampooing. So I want to implement that soon, but how I do my wash routine now is by applying the shampoo to it. I didn't wet it or anything like that. I just apply the shampoo to it as is. So I ensure that the shampoo is drenched in my hair, and I scrub my scalp with my finger first. Then I wash the ends of my hair, but at the same time still being mindful that the ends are very delicate. So I continue the same process until I think my hair is well drenched. Then I wash my hair out. Now usually I wash my hair 2 or 3 times until the shampoo or the sud gets white. Now I've washed out my hair. Now I'm going to repeat the process over until the sud is white or the shampoo is white. Here you can see the sud is white. That means it's clean. So this is the shampoo that I use, the egg and protein, and I use the conditioner for it sometimes. I'm definitely going to try some of your favorite shampoos soon, so stay tuned for that video. And this is what I mean by white suds. And this is the egg and protein conditioner that I use. And these are 2 of the steaming products that I use. I'm not steaming my hair now, but when my hair does want to steam, these are my go-to. So I'm going to dry my hair now and come out of the shower. So now I've dried out a bit of the water, and this is how my hair is. It's still twisted. So what I'm going to do is to catch it up and then deal with my hair section by section. So I usually start from the back, but whenever I'm doing my lives I have to start from the front so you guys can see, but I usually start from the back. So I burst the elastic band and then I stretch it out and do my finger detangling, removing all those product particles that I had in my hair or the knots that I had in my hair, and I repeat the same process until I think my hair is good to go. Then I retwist. Now the back part of my hair is usually short, and you guys know why that already. If not, go ahead and watch some of my hair videos. So the back part is a bit short. Front and back is usually short. but the middle section is extremely long. Alright, so this is one of the products that I use. That is the Blue Magic Indian Hemp, and this is the Blue Magic Tea Tree Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Every product here is almost done, so stay tuned for that video where I'm going to be shopping for hair products. So the first thing I usually do is to add some moisture again by using the Do Grow spray. So it's not just water, it's aloe vera and some other products. Because that is finished, I'm going to add some of my leave-in conditioner, which is the Blue Magic leave-in conditioner. So I put it at the roots and I ensure that my hair is well drenched in the product by repeating the process over and over and ensure that it reaches the end. So now I added my elastic band, now I'm retwisting. So I continue the same process until I'm done. And wherever I feel that the hair is a bit dry, I would add more product to it, either the Indian Hemp or the conditioner. So I'm going to finish up my hair and come back to you guys. So now guys, I am done and I'm just rubbing a little bit more product in my hair, some more of the conditioner for more moisture. For those who don't watch the series, my hair usually gets dry probably the third day after doing my hair, so I keep my hair moist. So that is one of the reasons why my hair is so long, guys. Moisture. Alright, so this is one of the ways that I do catch up my hair. I put everything to the front and I do my famous bun up, bun in the middle. Alright, so I have some product there, so I'm just taking a bit off by rubbing it. And this is how I wrap my hair, by twining the twist first, then pushing it under. So now I have a bun without even using an elastic band. So now I'm going to put the elastic band over it for extra security. And then I am done, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now this process usually takes probably 2 hours from wash to finish. So it's not bad, plus the washing. So no more than 2 hours. So bye guys, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.